in my video, what's in my handy bag? I love this handy bag. I have it for my 7th year, and now I have 13. Now we're gonna start. As you can see, I have some Avon book with. Where's my? Never mind. I have like this to calculate something, and I can do this. See? Here I have things like a painting, and there goes some pencil, and my pencil is here, of course. And here go some papers and something like that. Then I have my mobile. I have a nice scissor. You know what's in it. I have my Hannah Montana deodorant. And I have this. If it's, I don't know, hot, and I don't need, you see, I don't need plan. You see, that's my handy bag. See you next video. We are going to organize my pencil.